Hello everyone, good day. This is our first lesson on our fourth quarter for PE subject. So I hope you're going to focus on our discussion because especially for the modular student, you have to pay attention. Kasi sa modular, you have to write everything that is on the screen. And for those face-to-face students, you just have to answer directly the activities, okay? Again, for those face-to-face students, you just have to answer directly the activities. But for modular students, you have to write everything, okay? Okay, now let's proceed on our lesson. So we have here, okay, just wait for a while. So our first lesson will be the personal safety protocol. So, and environmental condition in sports. So, of course, let's proceed here first on the personal safety protocol. So, you have here the pre-test. And, of course, for those face-to-face students, you have to answer directly. But for those modular, you have to write it down. Okay? You can pause it. Okay? That's... Okay, meron namang answer. So, you just have to write that. Okay? Okay. Sige, balik muna tayo. Sasagutan natin ito. Kailangan isulat ito ha. Modular student. Okay. One of the environmental conditions that are protected from the unlikely cause of danger is called, okay, safety. How about this one? It's a condition that can result in dizziness or fainting doing physical activity. For example, class, kada bitaw magbuhat kag physical activity or you're exhausted or mutindog lang kagkalit tapos madizzy ka mo bitaw kag malipong. So, si answer ana it's heat syncope, no? Kanang ingon paminaw lagi nga ingon pa nga anemic kunuhay, no? So, heat syncope na siya. So, we have also here, the third one is a subset of physical activity to improve physical fitness. What's your answer? It's exercise. How about this one? Excessive low body temperature. Kapag sinabi ting body temperature, low body temperature, in what environmental condition best described? It's hypothermia. Okay. How about this one? It is the way of living in which can affect our lives to work. It's exercise pa din kasi it affects our lives or work. Okay, you have to exercise kasi if you don't exercise, you feel so lazy, you lack energy. Next, what do you call a movement of the body that utilizes energy? Movement of the body daw. Okay. Again, it's physical activity. Kasi yung exercise, fitness, workout, nabilong na yan siya kay physical activity. Okay? How about this one? An environmental phenomenon that often causes prickly flames is affected by physical activity. Prickly flames. Okay, it's heat rash. Okay, like for example, when you go outside, way back when you were still children, or way back when you were still child, then you're doing activities outside the area, and then you're under the heat of the sun, you're playing around, and then together with your sweats, you came back at your house, and then eventually there are some, revelation of this tiny bumps, like parang mamula-mula. Okay, so that's what we call heat rash. Pero sa mga Bisaya, bungang singot naman na. Okay, what is condition that may result in a very harmful cause of doing physical activity? Pag sobraan daw kag buhat og physical activity, unsa mo dala siya? Mo resulta sa overexertion, no? Kay lagi daw gusto mo payat dayon. So, nahitabo gusto niya nga ay kay gusto ko mo payat ugma dayon. So, nahitabo ang iyang gigusto is gikan 5 AM gi-street ni-street yung siya jogging padulong sa 5 PM. So, sa nahitabo, namatay. Try lang na over fatigue, o nakatindog pagkaugma. Na-injured. Okay, how about this one? This is going to be the damaging thing that implies reducing an operation's impact. Okay, cooling down. How about this one? It is a situation in which water shortages are plentiful. Nauubusot ka raw ng tubig sa katawan. Ano to? Okay, dehydration. Kaya nga dapat kapag ikaw ay nagjo-jogging o gumagawa ka ng mga outdoor activities, kailangan always carry water. Okay? So, direction, find at least 10 words related to personal safety precautions to avoid certain conditions related to physical activity. Encircle the words in a word puzzle and write the encircled words on the space provided below. Directions are vertical, horizontal, and diagonal. Horizontal, vertical, or pa-diagonal. Okay? Pwede na po siya pabali, no? Excuse me. So, we have here the... Okay, mauna siya, no? Okay ka na. Okay, for example, let's try. Okay, ano da ay? Pangitaw niyo na, for example, diri sa daaraw, gikan diri sa ubos. Kanang ihap mo gikan sa pinaka left sa ubos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 kanang na H, ipataas na magawas ang hypothermia. Okay, so muna siya, no? Kung sa ito nang gawas kaniya sa multiple choice test, make sure na makita po niyo siya diri sa table. Okay? Ang sira ninyo, 10 hakabuok. Okay, now let's proceed on our formal discussion for personal safety protocol. Okay? So, exercise precautions and safety tips. Physical activity carries benefit. It is as well as risks. The most common adverse effects of physical activity, burnout and musculoskeletal injury. When we say musculoskeletal injury, it's your muscles and your skeletal system. So, when you do some exercises or outdoor activities, no, pag masubraan na gani na, or like for example, mag-gym ka, magpadako lagi lawas, so of course, you are carrying that barbell. Unya, kung pasabraan po nimo, nga dili ka angay anang abug-kabugaton, o imong muscles o imong bones, it's either ma-break ang imong muscle o ma-break po ang imong bones. Okay? That's what we call musculoskeletal injury. Depending on the type of activity, injury risk can be augmented with increased intensity, frequency, and duration of the activity. To minimize the risk of activity-induced injuries, you should be aware of the signs of the overexertion. Kapag before pa mahitabong overexertions or nahitabong overexertions, mo siya ang signs. Breathless and muscle soreness, no? Ana bitang kulang na kasahinga, nag-apas na kasahinga nimo. No, especially this is for athletes, okay? And take reasonable precautions. In relating to this topic, we also consider the different techniques in doing physical activity. That exercising regularly has a wide range of physical, emotional, and social health benefits. You need to exercise safety to keep health and injury free. It is healthy and painless. You are more likely to stick to it. Security is about the use of common sense, the comprehension of universal strategies, and the body's listening. So when we say the implication of body's listening is when you are doing exercise and if you feel something on your body, you have to pause and just resume on the day that you're already well. Okay? So dili kay pasabot no nga na nakagibati dira nagsakit na imong kilid uban pa dira sige padayon nagyapon ko diri kay para exercise gapon ni para mapayad yung pag-ugma, no? Next, so here are the healthy on whether the things that make you still healthy when exercising to your doctor. So here are some tips to stay safe and injury free while performing some physical activities. So paminawan tanawan din ninyo, no? First, be aware of your body. So if you think you feel something on your body while doing some physical activities, stop immediately and seek medical advice. Anong nanakit naman ni akong mga diring apart, no? Because maybe of overexertion. Okay, that's why be aware of your body. If you feel you can't do it anymore, then stop it, no? Next, number 2, warm up and cool down. So slow stretches, and before starting, go through the motions of your sport. Or okay, try slow stretches And before starting, go through the motions of your sport activity. So of course, before going to do some activities class, okay, especially you're doing some basketballs, sports, or anything that is an aerobic type of activity. So you have to what? Okay, you have to do some stretching first, because you have to stretch your muscles. You have to make your bones functional, so that when you do the activity or the sport, you will no longer experience any much of fatigue. Okay, so next, pace yourself. Have at least one day of recovery every week in order to relax. If you are having pain, relax until the pain is gone. Okay, so when you're doing some activities, so kung or if you feel anything pain, because you have to maintain this kind of activity for a whole week, if you feel something unnecessary on your part, pain in your part, so you have to stop and just resume after you are already well. Okay, next, mix it up. So try other sports and exercise to reduce risk of overtraining. So if you feel like you are training on something, running, etc., etc., so if you feel like you are already tired with that, or let's say you're not tired, parang nasanay ka na, or di mo na gusto, or parang di mo na kaya yung klaseng exercise na yan kasi hindi ka na bata, just try other sports. Maybe kasi sports, diba, galaw-galaw ka din eh. You tend to enjoy, at the same time you develop some parts of your body and you are healthy. Okay, that's why mix it up. Don't just focus on one. Okay, next, we have also here strap or tape. If the joint is prone to injury, consider strapping or taping it before exercising. So mo nang lukot sa mga players po na sila sa volleyball, na sila ginalukot diri sa ilaha mga strap or tape para di siya mapiko ug dili ma-injured pag mag-block sila sa volleyball. Okay, so much better see a physiologist or physiotherapist, get a program to improve the damaged area, and get instruction on effective taping strategies for exercise. Next, stay hydrated. Of course, you have to drink water always when you are doing physical activity. Okay, mas maayo magpalit mo atong water nga nakapa-preserve sa iyang temperature, especially when it's cold. You have to buy katong mga tumbler nga naga-preserve og kanang mga temperature, coldness, kay para iniginom nimo fresh kay sa paminaw. Okay, next, be weather aware. Of course, if you're doing some jogging, ayaw pag jogging og budto kay dali kay kapanington. Mas maayod kadlawon kay tugnaw ug manggawas imong singot because you are doing exercise. Because if you are going to do the jogging in the middle of the day, so igang kaayo, so wa pa ka na exercise, gipaningot na ka. Okay, so mas maayo dito agad ka sa kadlawon or something a cold na or gabi. Next, number 8, if you're going to do the exercise, make sure to do it right. Try to get the technique right from the very beginning to ensure that you are using your muscle correctly. Okay? So, buhaton yung sakto ang activity or ang exercise. Okay? Check your gear, your shoes, your attire, equipment. Okay? You have to secure that what you are wearing is very comfortable for the type of activity that you are doing. Shoes. Di mo pwede mag-heels ka, mag-jogging ka, manglubong man na. Magsapatos good ka. Okay? And also, be sensible. Especially at night or secluded areas. Take a friend or your pet with you. Stick to well-lit spots and wear bright or light reflective clothing so that drivers can see you. So, mas maayo nga, pag mag-jogging ka, you have to wear something very light. Not so much light, but something that the driver could recognize you. Bas in the, no? Ang imong gina-color is kanang fatigue. Tapos, dili kay ka maklaro, kani-blend ka sa imong environment. So, that is prone to accident. That's why you have to be sensible. Okay? Next, for your activity 2, para sa modular, mo ni ang first ninyo nga ansiran. I mean, oo, ansiran. Kaya katong ganyan, ansiran naman ito sa taas. Sa face-to-face, mo ninyo ang first output. Okay? So, you just have to pause this and answer. Sa face of modular, isulat ko din ninyo, no? Okay? Okay, kapilo po na siya. So, i-pause na ninyo na siya, i-compare, okay? So, that's the end of our discussion for PE Quarter 4 Lesson 1. Okay? Thank you, and I hope you learned something. So, please comment your names below to assure that you are participating and you are listening to our class. Because when the time comes that if I'm going to compute your grades, kung naka-comment mo, wala mo napasa, pasabot wala mo activity nga napasa, pasabot ana, nag-comment lang mo, nga wala mo tanaw-tanaw. Okay? So you just have to view the video, okay? So that you'll be able to learn something. Okay? Goodbye, class.